Hey food lovers, welcome back to Marah's kitchen. Here we turn simple ingredients into magic. We are making something crunchy, healthy and so addictive, trust me. Homemade granola, perfect for breakfast, snacks or just munching it straight from the jar. Let's get into this video. This is all the ingredients I used. I used almond nuts, apple, my rolled oats, my honey, my cinnamon powder. Please don't mind my voice, I'm not feeling fine. I think this stuff is called fruits. I don't know the exact name. Also, I'm using coconut flakes. Next, I'll be grating my apple. In your tray or bowl, go in with your rolled oats. I used about 3 cups. Next, I'll be going in with my grated apple. In another bowl, go in with your honey. I'll drop the exact measurement in my description box, please. I also added coconut oil. You can use coconut oil for this, any oil that you like. I mix it with my cinnamon powder. Then I mixed everything properly. After mixing it properly, I will pour it into my oats. Then mix properly and make sure everything incorporates together. Please mix everything thoroughly until it's well coated. Next, I'll be slicing my almond nuts. After slicing it, I'll be adding it into my mixed dough. Mix it again to make sure that everything is well coated. For the sake of this video and also to tell you that you can fry your granola, I'm going to be separating this. I will bake one part and fry the rest. Please, if you are frying your granola, fry it for 15 minutes. Also fry this for 12 minutes. Once you see that it's golden brown, just bring it down and allow it to cool down. It will be crunchy. Please, if you are baking your own, bake at 160 degrees Celsius. Also stir it at intervals, then bake for 20-25 minutes. Once it's golden brown and smelling amazing, take it out and let it cool completely. Now the fun part is you can add dry ingredients like fruit, chocolate chips and anything. I mix it with my coconut flakes. I also added my dry fruits. Please add anything and everything you love, chocolate chips and the rest, I beg. So just like that, your homemade granola is ready. Crispy, golden and way better than store-bought. Trust me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Marah's Kitchen, hit that bell icon so you never miss a delicious drop. Tell me in the comments, what will you be adding to your granola mix? Quick one before I go. So I use this thing to drink garri and it was amazing. I don't know, it can be strange, but I love it.